Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you a new feature under Sites. You can see over here there's a new analytics feature, which if you haven't seen already, you basically have like an analytics outline for your funnels and websites. So any business analytics is a vital part, and this is going to be yeah, this should definitely be part of your regular, at least like weekly, I don't know, checkups. Just basically how your funnels are doing. Over here you can select whether you want to check like specific website pages or specific funnels. You can select the funnel, right? And over here, for example, and then you can pick a time period. If you click here, you can do like last 30 days. I would do this personally. I would do this weekly, right, to check the funnel performance. But for each business, it can be different. It can be daily. It can be monthly, right? So you can pick a time frame here. Obviously, you can just kind of click and select. Over here, you can select which metric you want to check, right? You can select here. So basically this gives you like a nice and clean overview. I think this is a game changer. This is really good. This is vital. Definitely make sure to go check it out and make sure this is part of your regular processes, because you need to be on top of your data, especially page visits and how many of these people actually convert, right? And how much money you make from these pages, and then just kind of all kinds of different KPIs derived from that. So yep, go check it out under Sites, Analytics. You can see it's a new thing. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. There's also a VIP call scheduling options for the VIP clients. If you have more than one or two questions, it's just easier to get on a call. But yeah, if you don't have any other questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.